guys? Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to another episode. And today we're going to design a digital agency quick landing page. Guys, stick with me. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, UX audits. Comment down below. Like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you guys think so that I can help you guys with, I'll reach out to me on my socials as well. You can reach out to my LinkedIn, on my WhatsApp, on my Instagram, whichever one you guys feel more comfortable with. Email as well. And yep, let's dive into this. All right, guys. I've designed this landing page over here. So let's dive into this really super quick. F for frame. Not R. F for frame. F for frame. Let's make sure we get the right measurements. But otherwise, you guys are just free to press F and then go to desktop. We have here on the right, we have frames for phones, frames for tablets, frames for desktops, for presentations, for your watch, Apple Watch, or your any other watch, paper, A4 paper, A5 paper, A6 paper, social media, whether it's Twitter posts, Instagram posts, dribble posts, here in the Figma community, and then in the archives, which are your most recently used, and many more. In this case, we already have our frame here, so let's just get this done over here. Let's change the color to this blue. Frame digital agency called Zeno. All right, Zeno. Let's check. Let's copy paste our logo here. T for text. We're creating now our navigation bar, guys. So, all right, let's just press T for text. About service, blog, contact us, and pricing. About, no, actually like home. About, copy paste. Services, copy paste. Pricing. Blog. And contact us page. Whoops. Contact us. Right. Select all of this. Instead of bold, put it in regular. Instead of this color, put it in circular STD. Gives a nice vibe. All right, and then on the furthest right are for rectangle. There we go. Corner radius like a 10. T for text. Login. This one we can put it in back into our regular, which is the Zeno font. Let's try. Circular. Circular. And instead of a fill, we can use a stroke. Let's pick a stroke. This color right here. And remove the fill. Let's make this slightly and this one as well. Let's just use this color. Right. Now, T for text. We help you build your business. We help you to build your business. We help you build your business. Let's get another font circular. Let's use Google Sans, guys. So now this has product Sans. There we go. Bold it. Let's increase the font a little bit, maybe to 100. And then I like the minimalism, guys, so I'll make a slightly different variation, right? Because later on we'll jump into these other components here on the left, on the right, and everything. But then for the time being, I just want to focus on the main components, which is the header, the navigation, the header, which is the navigation bar, and the button, the CTA. We have the main text here in the CTA, and then the imagery. Right. Another T for text. This one clearly now is like much smaller. T for text. Enthusiast. I mean, let me just write it down here. T for text. Enthusiastically extensive customer service before best of breed versions completely. Select all of that, put it in regular, reduce the line height, right? Even reduce it a little bit, that's fine. Just put it in 26, not 16. Let's see what color this is. Cool, we got it there. Now our CTA button, R for rectangle. Let's try to make sure that all the CTA buttons are the same measurement. So this one is 189 width and 65 height. Let's check radius. I'm assuming this radius is 10. So let's do the same thing here, 10. And then no fill. Actually, we can. Let's make it another color. Let's try this color here. Get a quote. And then instead of product sans, let's go back to circular. Instead of this one, let's make it white. Go like there. Let's make it 16, too small. Let's try it 20. 20. Okay. Check all of this. Put it up a bit. Nice. Now, last but not too least, let's get this imagery together. Let's get the lady here. How do you do those circles at the back? Let me show it to you guys really quick. O for circle, right? Instead of the fill, you use stroke, and then remove it. And that's it. Make sure it's like gray or red or purple or green, whichever one that you guys would like, and then just put it at the back, as you guys can see. There we go, guys. How do you do this? Let me show it to you guys. R for rectangle. Put it in white. Get O for circle, like that. Right click. I already have a plugin for faces. You know, where you can get people and things of that nature. Already have a plugin for that. So you just pick a random plugin, pick an image that you guys would like. Stars, how do you get that? I have another plugin for that. Huge icons. Guys, download plugins. We'll dive into that in a later episode on how you get your plugins in Figma. Just get here. Star. There you go. And then what do you do after this? No. You select it, place it there. Fill. New. No. Make sure you select the star in the inside. And then press fill. Then take this color, remove the stroke, put it in fill like that. Right? And then just duplicate, triplicate, quadruplicate, if that word even exists. Make sure it's there. Right? And then T for text, 20K plus customer review. Obviously you bold it, right? Cool, guys. Just wanted to show it to you guys really quick how to design this. Right? This is just a regular circle. Press O for circle there. And then instead of a fill, add a stroke, remove the fill, increase the weight of the stroke, which is like a 2, somewhere like that. Increase it, change color. Easy, guys, easy. Now, this one, R for rectangle. It gets like this, slightly perpendicular like that, slightly thinner or smaller like that, and then radius, let's put it on 20. And then change color. And after that, you put it in random positions. You can't even tell that that's not a part of the original one. And then for this one is a regular stroke, guys. This one is a regular icon, and then just put it inside of a circle. How do you do something like this? R for rectangle. Make sure it's blue. Corner radius, like 20 might be too much. Just try 10. Right? T for text. Monthly visitor. White. T for text. 30. Maybe too much. Maybe by 20. Right, let's try this. 20. And then copy paste. 10. And then R for rectangle. Something like that. Right. And then what do we do at the top? Instead of corner radius everywhere, you select here on your right. It gives you options so that you can corner radius, so that you can change the corners to specific side that you want, not every side. In this case, we would just want the top part, right? So here the top left, we want it like 120. Top right, same thing. But the rest of the design, we want to keep it the same. So we go there, pick a color, copy paste, there, increase the height, copy paste, decrease the height, copy paste, there, white. Cool, guys, How do you do something like this? Easy. One more time. Let's just copy paste this. R for rectangle. Make sure it's the same width-ish. I. T project done. It shows in bold and copy paste the text 3258. How do you do something like that? P for pen tool. Something like that. Now, select it. Make sure that you correct these parts over there. So that it seems natural, right? Right. Now, with weight, like put it like on a 3, take this, put it there, click on it, corner radius, 20. No, let's just check the corner radius. Start point, end point, round. There we go. You get something like that. Guys, let me just copy paste the remaining of that. With that, and that. Copy paste. There we go. Guys, thank you so much for watching today's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed today's episode. There's plenty more episodes to come. Stay tuned. Reach out to me if you need websites, landing pages, mobile apps, web apps, UX audits. It's a pleasure again to do these designs for you guys. Comment down below. I'd like to get to see what you guys think, Comment down below, reach out to me, and then we can work something out. And I will see you on the next episode.